Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I have connected the temperature sensor DHT11 with the NodeMCU. For that, you have to use the D3 pin here on the NodeMCU, and you have to provide the power and the ground to our sensor, which is DHT11. The middle one is the data pin. You have to connect it with D3, and red one is the VCC, and the orange one is the ground. After connecting, I have uploaded the code. You can find the code in the description. Now coming to ThingSpeak, here first of all you have to create an account and you have to log in. Afterwards, click on channel. Under the my channel, you have to click on new channel. Now add a name to your channel. I am using temperature as the name of the channel. Add some description. I am adding as temperature of Ahmedabad. This is my city name. Now we are going to add some fields here. In this example, I am only using temperature, so only one field is used here and named it as temperature. Scroll down and save the channel. Afterwards, you have to click on the add widget and click on numeric display. You can use different type of display here. You can see different options here. You have to click on API key. We will use the right API key. Now I am going to copy this key because I am going to use this API key in our code. We are using Arduino IDE to code this NodeMCU. We will paste this API key in our code. You can see here under the API key and use the username and password of your Wi-Fi, and you have to upload the code on NodeMCU. On ThingSpeak, click on the private view. You can see here the normal temperature of Ahmedabad, which is 25 degrees centigrade today. I have applied some heat to the sensor and the temperature have raised up to 30 degrees centigrade. With the passage of time, the temperature is coming back to the normal temperature, which is 25 degree. Hope this will help you in connecting the NodeMCU with the DHT11. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.